Alright, I'm at Maplewood Lanes again. I got the Emerson Carrera Grande. One there, and that one here. This one there. Oh shit, that one. Oh yeah, they got some of them right here. And then some of that is kind of bullshit here. This one extremely fucking wobbles because of the fucking thing. I can always fucking say it. I did that shit. Yeah, there's another one. And yes, that's all. Thanks for watching. Alright, they got the Summer Breeze in here. And then also over here by this part, I got the Cape Breton that's going in reverse. So yeah, thanks for watching. Alright, here's the fans outside. This replaced the Calera. I replaced the Builder Elite. Same here. And this one wants to replace the Calera here because of that. So yeah, thanks for watching.